And here in Nigeria, the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, or NDIC, has announced that payment to the 2.3 million depositors of the distressed Heritage Bank will begin this week. Heritage Bank's license was revoked by the Nigeria Central Bank, CBN, 2 days ago, citing its inability to improve its financial performance. But the NDIC has been assuring the bank's customers that all depositors will get their money back. Arise Correspondent Georgina Ndukwe-Ezeanyika has details.
It is no longer news that on the 3rd of June, the Central Bank of Nigeria revoked the license of Heritage Bank due to its poor financial performance over a period of time as stipulated by the Apex Bank. This press conference by the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation is to explain to Nigerians the process the corporation is undertaking to pay back depositors of Heritage Bank. It is also to reassure Nigerians that the country's banking sector is stable. Managing Director of NDIC told journalists that its officers have been deployed to 116 branches and regional offices of the bank to take charge of the bank's assets.
While we are there are some key staff that we need to help us, you understand, gather information. Those staffs, while we are doing the exercise, we are going to retain them and pay them, you understand, appropriately. But of course others, that is the sad aspect, because the bank is already in liquidation, so they have lost their job.
The NDIC will leverage on the various bank verification numbers of the depositors to identify their alternative bank accounts, to which they will pay the insured amount of up to 5 million naira.
So for depositors that have alternate bank accounts within the sector, they don't need to visit any branch of the bank. We are aware of their details and we pay them the maximum insured amount depending on their bank. We pay them the insured amount up to a maximum limit of 5 million. But for customers that have only account with Heritage Bank, then they need to visit the nearest branch so that they can be identified and verified by our staff that are on ground. If they are not able to do that, they can do it online by visiting the website of NDIC. When you visit the website, on the toolbar there is a claim button. When you click on that button, it will give you the guideline and the forms you download and what other documents that you need to attach and then upload. Everything is stated on the website.
He explains that only about 4,000 depositors have above 5 million naira in their accounts. For such customers, they will also receive an initial 5 million naira and later be paid more as the NDIC recovers assets of the bank and loans from debtors.
The deposit, I say, is around 650 billion. It may go up because there could be other deposits, you understand, that were not properly captured. The same thing applies to the loans, you understand. We have a figure, that's why I said the figure we have is in the region of beyond 700 billion. But there could be other loans that we may discover, you understand. So when we discover those things, we are going to update. So it's also difficult to say this is the exact amount. I can only disclose that when our examiners finish the closing exercise, which we hope to be rounded up by next week. In terms of payment, I assure you that payment is going to start this week.
The corporation says it is collaborating with the judiciary to ensure support for expedited hearing of debt recovery cases. The NDIC is also calling on creditors of Heritage Bank to come forward and file their claim. Georgina Ndukwe-Ezeanyika, Arise News.